Hello, welcome back to Math with Patrick. Today is May 23rd, and we have problem number 143 to figure out together from the Daily Epsilon calendar. So, answer is 23. Juan is given 40 cookies on a Monday and eats 2 cookies at lunch every school day and 1 cookie each weekend day. How many days will the cookies last? All right. I'm inclined to just kind of draw a calendar to get a better sense of what's going on. So let's get a good rectangle going. We can separate this into the 7 days of the week. And then I'm a Sunday comes first kind of guy. I know that some parts of the world do Monday first, but this is just what I'm used to. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll do an R. This is just another thing that I'm kind of used to. This R just stands for Thursday for me. I kind of got it from college because when my classes were on certain days, they would just use R for Thursday. Anyways, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, I will do SA just to make it different from Sunday, which is just S. Okay. He gets 40 cookies on a Monday. So let's actually zoom in, honestly, on this because, I kind of already know what the prompt says. And he gets 40 cookies this day, but he's going to eat 2 at school. So he has 38 right now. Then he eats another 2, and another 2, and another 2. And then finally, he'll eat 2 on Friday at school. And then he'll eat 1 on Saturday and 1 on Sunday. Okay, so it looks like he eats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cookies each week, right? Because we can kind of, you know what, why not? I'll put a 40 here on Sunday. It doesn't really say this in the prompt. It doesn't say he got 40 cookies on Sunday and waited to eat them on Monday, but it kind of just makes sense to me to put the 40 here. And then I can see that I have this minus 12 pattern going on. And so I don't really need to fill out the rest of the days of the week. I could just subtract 12 again from 28, and then I will get 16. And then we can do this one more time. We can subtract 12 again, and then we're going to get 4. So now I shouldn't subtract 12 again. He doesn't have 12 cookies. Oh, there we go. I should put in another minus 12 there. Okay, so he has 4 cookies on Sunday, and so he'll eat 2 on Monday, and then he'll finish them up this Tuesday. And so when we're counting the number of days the cookies last, we should just probably count the number of days he had some cookies. So I'm going to count all of these days that I'm highlighting right now. So starting with that Monday, and then kind of going through all the days on the calendar up to and including the last Tuesday, because he did have cookies on that Tuesday. And then I guess what's a good way to count this all up? Maybe you could think about moving this day up here. So we basically have a box that is 3 by 7, and then we have a 2 down here. This Sunday and this Monday is this 2. And then 7 times 3 is 21. So these cookies lasted 23 total days. Cool. Well, that's how it works. Maybe you would do it without drawing a calendar, but this is the way that makes the most sense to me. So I'm all done. We got the 23 for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty. Bye-bye.